Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So tonight I am here with the Kroger ad preview for the upcoming sale that will run from, let's check the dates, April 17th through the 23rd. Now, if you're really excited about these deals, 90% of them are going on today because this is literally just a continuation of our 2-week buy 6 save 3 mega event. And even the majority of the meat and produce is the same. There's a couple little variances, but honestly, there's just not that much different. So if I were you, I'd just head over there right now if that's what you want to do, if there's things in here you like. Of course, check it out. I have 2 other videos I've done about Kroger that you just don't want to miss. If you click the little line in the top right corner, or else at the end screen of this video, you will be able to see that. So, yeah, let's just dive right into this awesome Kroger ad preview. Okay, so sorry if the quality of these pictures aren't the best. I had a hard time this week with my phone. I don't know what that dumb thing does. It's just a sign I need to upgrade on my phone. It's an iPhone 6, so yeah, it just shows you how old it honestly really is, but have to wait until I can upgrade. So we have $5.99 for the chuck roast a pound. That's not, I don't know if that's really, honestly, or no, ribeye roast. I don't even think that's very good. 87 cents a pound for the Kroger ham. That's another really good one. And it says that they have the Kroger one or the Sugardale. So you might as well get the Sugardale because it's a name brand. I'm sure Kroger's fine too. $6.99 a pound for the fresh Atlantic salmon fillets. And then $4.88 for a 5-pound box of California seedless mandarins. 97 cents each for the pineapples, which is a very, very good price. Then we have $2.99 for a 2-pound of strawberries. Or 1 pound organic strawberries are 2 for $7. Wow, that's a very big difference. 4 for $12 on the Coke, Pepsi, or 7-Up. That's always a good one. $5.99 for Starbucks. They always have liquor deals. Down here, there's not that much. Kroger cheese, $1.77. Like, a lot of this stuff's going to be Easter, so I'm just going to throw it in there, even though it's not necessarily the best. 3 for $5 for Pillsbury. We always have coupons for Pillsbury and inserts. And $1.77 when you buy 3 of the Lay's. And then 3-day only sale. This sale has, these are with 5X digitals, Friday through Sunday. We have the Kellogg's large size cereals, $1.49. Use any coupons you have to lower that. Then $1.99 for the private selection ice cream or the Simple Truth Low Cow Light ice cream. That's a very good price. Because here's the megas. Like I said, I have a whole entire video of me going through the Kroger store and matching all this up. So I'm not going to sit and read all this out. I'm only going to tell you the really good deals. And keep in mind, like, 90% of these items that are on the mega sale aren't even in this ad. They cannot fit them all in the ad, so that's why you should check out the videos I have up, because you'll see the stuff that's not advertised. So it is a good deal on the goldfish, the Epic goldfish. At my store, these are on a little, like, cardboard display in the little main area of the store, like when you walk in where the carts are. 99 cents, there's a 75-cent Ibotta for that kind, so awesome deal. And then the Pringles Wavy, there's a 35-cent Ibotta. The 2 liters of Coke, Pepsi, or 7-Up. We have Ibotta rebates for Crush and Schweppes and Canada Dry, so that could be a really good deal. And then we have the Nabisco snack crackers, the Ritz. We got a 75-cent off a 2 coupon on the 4-7 Smart Source, so that'd be a really good one. The Kraft cheese, $2.29. We do have that buy 1 Kraft cheese, get a free Taco Bell, so that could be a really good deal. Cheese. We have 49 cents for the Green Giant vegetables, phenomenal. 49 cents for the Campbell's Cream of Soups, phenomenal. And then we have the Creamette for 49 cents again, and we have $1 off of 2 Ibotta, and it reset for me, so that's a phenomenal deal. The Hellmann's is $2.99. We are getting a coupon in tomorrow's paper. And the French's fried onions are $2.99. There is a $2 off of 2 printable on my site if you want to check that out. So yeah, that's always awesome. Okay, here they're just going to promote Easter deals. I'm not going to sit and read these because they're not really deals. They're just them putting fluff in the ad because the people who didn't get their Easter shopping done yet will just go and do these things. So they're going to throw it in there to make people think it's a deal. So yeah, but I'm just going to let it play through this, and I will meet back up with you all on the last page. Okay, so here we have tons of meat deals. Buy one, get one free on some Simple Truth chicken breast. Buy one, get one free on some Kroger shrimp. It's not very, you know, timely or whatever for Easter because everyone's probably having ham. They do have $2.19 a pound for Butterball turkey. Don't really think too many people do turkey for Easter, but I could be wrong. $1.99 a pound for the Cumberland Gap ham, and it's boneless. So if you like Cumberland Gap, that is a good price. That stuff's very pricey. That's the kind my grandma usually gets, so I know she pays usually way more than that. So that's definitely a very good price for the Cumberland Gap if you want boneless ham, and it might be worth it to you to skip the bones. Okay, 79 cents a pound for sweet potatoes. That's pretty decent. And 4 for $5 for Kroger coleslaw if you're doing that for Easter. And then a very odd mention because the whole year Kroger's been following a trend of bi-weekly free Fridays. There is no free Friday this week, and there wasn't one last week either. So I'm not exactly sure. I'm wondering if it's just because it's the Easter holiday, or maybe they're not going to do it anymore. I'm not sure. I don't know, but that's a little odd. I was expecting one in this ad, but I don't know. If anyone has info, my guess is it's because it's going to be Easter weekend. They don't really want to market free Fridays. They're wanting to market Easter food, would just be my guess. But who knows? So, yeah, that's all that I have for this video. Check out these other Kroger videos if you haven't already. Come back tomorrow morning around 8:45. There will be brand new printable coupons because those are awesome. I like to get those out early Sunday morning so y'all can get a hold of those. So, yeah, that's all that I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.